Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Broan 688 is probably one of the most essential appliances for any bathroom, and today, we're diving deep into why. This exhaust fan is designed to tackle moisture and those unwanted odors, ensuring your bathroom stays fresh and clean. We'll explore its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your needs. So, if you're in the market for a new exhaust fan or just curious about the Broan 688, you're in the right place. Number 5. Broan-NuTone 688 Bath Fan. This ventilation fan is designed to remove humidity, smoke, and cooking odors. It's compact and can be installed in your ceiling or wall. It's a versatile solution for any space. The fan operates at 50 CFM with a 4.0 SON rating, ensuring a peaceful environment. You won't even notice it's there while it efficiently clears the air. Installation is a breeze with the torsion spring grill mounting system. No tools are needed, making setup quick and simple. You'll have it up and running in no time. The paintable polymeric grills allow you to match the fan to your existing decor. You can easily customize it to blend seamlessly with your bathroom or any room's design. It features a plug-in, permanently lubricated motor and a removable wiring cover for easy maintenance. The motor snaps in and out for cleaning without any screws. It's built to last. The corrosion-resistant galvanized steel housing ensures durability. It's designed to withstand moisture, providing long-lasting performance. What we like. This fan is designed to eliminate humidity, smoke, and odors, making your bathroom a more pleasant space. It's also super easy to install, with no tools needed for the grill. If you are looking for a quick and effective solution to improve your bathroom's air quality and aesthetics, you should consider this one. What people say. Works well, great price. Quiet. Moves plenty of air. This fit right into my old one. I only used the motor part. It was easy to install and so quiet compared to the old one. Super happy. I was surprised at the difference in airflow. I didn't realize that my old fan wasn't pulling the moisture out when showering. It looked sleek, was much quieter, brighter, and easy to get powered up. Number 4. Broan-NuTone BP90 Replacement Grill. Tired of your old bathroom grill? This replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed to give your home a fresh feel and look. Installing this grill is a breeze. In just a few minutes, you can replace your old one without any cutting or patching. This grill cover measures 9 by 9.25 by 0.325 inches and fits Broan 663, 670, 671, 688, and 689 models with 7.25 by 7.5 inch housings. It's designed to be a perfect fit. The white polymetric material can be painted to match your ceiling color. This allows you to customize it to perfectly fit your bathroom's decor. For your peace of mind, this product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. It's a reliable and convenient upgrade for your bathroom. What we like. This replacement grill is a simple way to refresh your bathroom's look. It's designed for easy installation, taking only minutes to replace your old one. If you are looking for a quick and affordable upgrade to refresh your bathroom, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a real Broan brand vent cover. It fit perfectly over the existing vent in my ceiling just as described. I was able to install it in just a few seconds, as it uses the metal spring clips to slide into position. It fits perfectly and works functionally. It was easy to install and the air flows well without any noise. It seems durable with a firming connection than my old one. Our old fan cover was a beige color and it just made our bathroom feel outdated. This cover is a much nicer white and was easy to clip into place. Number 3. BOJACK Bathroom Vent Fan Motor Replacement Kit. Is your bathroom fan noisy or not working? This replacement motor from BOJACK is the perfect solution. It's designed to get your fan running smoothly again. This motor operates at 120 volts and 60 Hz, providing efficient performance. It's a reliable replacement to restore your bathroom's ventilation. This kit is compatible with various NuTone and Broan models, including 663, 668, 662, 688, and 659. It is designed for easy installation. The kit includes a fan blade measuring 458 inches by 118 inches. This ensures optimal airflow and efficient ventilation in your bathroom. This product has passed UL certification, ensuring safety and durability. You can trust it to provide long-lasting and reliable performance. The kit contains everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. Get your bathroom ventilation back up and running with this convenient kit. What we like. This is a reliable replacement motor for your bathroom fan. It's UL certified, ensuring safety and durability. If you are experiencing issues with your existing fan motor, this is a great replacement option. What people say. This motor easily bolted on the old mount and is silent. This was a direct bolt-on replacement for an older NuTone fan motor that probably dates back to the late 1970s or early 1980s. I like that it's an open design so it pulls air up through the fan instead of having to pull it around, which I believe makes it much more efficient. The motor is a perfect fit and aligned with the screw holes. Sound is nice and quiet and draws air out easy. Number 2. NuTone Broan 50 CFM Bathroom Fan Motor Replacement Kit. Is your bathroom fan making too much noise? This replacement kit is the perfect solution. It will restore your fan's performance. This kit includes a 120-volt motor and a blower wheel. It operates at 50 CFM and 3000 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient ventilation for your bathroom. This motor is designed to replace motors in various NuTone and Broan models. It's a direct replacement for several models, making installation easy. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. The wire is 6 to 12 inches long with a 2-prong plug, making it simple to connect. We stand behind the quality of this product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a replacement or a full refund. No questions asked. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to replace your bathroom fan motor and blower wheel. It's designed for easy installation and made with premium quality materials. If you are looking for a complete and reliable solution to restore your bathroom fan's performance, you should consider this. What people say. After installing, I checked the audio levels with a decibel meter on my iPhone. Our house at rest is about 40 dB. With the fan on, the reading rose to only 50.7 dB, which is only about 10 dB louder than our baseline, and equates to about 4.5 sones, so, not the reduced sound levels of the most expensive new fans available, but still it's very quiet with just a gentle whoosh of air. Compared to the racket we had, I'm quite impressed by how this sounds, and for the price of it, is a very cost-effective and quiet solution that still pushes 50 CFM of air, and save the hassle of tearing out the old unit to install a new one. Complete removal of the old motor. Installation of this new one took me about 10 minutes. The fan replacement motor worked great. Fits perfectly and not very loud. Number 1. Broan 688 Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Tired of lingering odors and humidity in your bathroom? This fan is designed to effectively remove moisture and unwanted smells. It ensures a fresh and comfortable environment for you. Featuring a well-designed duct system, it efficiently channels air outside. This design helps to prevent mold and mildew growth, protecting your home. Enjoy a peaceful bathroom experience with its quiet operation. You won't be disturbed by loud noises while you relax or get ready in the morning. It operates smoothly and silently. Installing this fan is straightforward, making it a great choice for both new constructions and renovations. You can quickly and easily upgrade your bathroom's ventilation with it. Built to last, this exhaust fan offers long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it to keep your bathroom fresh and well ventilated for years to come. What we like. This is a complete fan with duct included. It's easy to install. If you are looking for a complete solution to improve your bathroom's air quality, you should consider this one. What people say. Fan motor quit. This was a very economical and easy way to replace. The fan plate easily separates from the rest of the assembly. Swap fan plates and you're done. Less than 10 minutes. Needed replacement motor assembly and cover for my original Broan 688 cent fan. Purchased this, it is an exact replica. Works perfectly. This was a perfect replacement, looks like the inner components are made exactly the same way they were 20 years ago. I was able to just remove the plate holding the fan and motor from the old unit and replace it with a fan and motor from this one. No tools needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.